In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WhatsApp with Gemini. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp connected to Gemini on your Android phone so they can work together whenever you choose, making it easier to compose messages and streamline your day. Start by opening the Gemini app on your Android device. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update it first through the Play Store to ensure you see the latest settings. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into your Google account, since these options appear under your profile. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This opens your account and settings area, which is where Google keeps controls for integrations and privacy. If you manage more than one account on your phone, confirm you're in the account you want to use with WhatsApp before moving on. Next, choose Connected Apps. This is the hub where you can link Gemini with services on your device. It's designed to be transparent so you can see what's connected, what's not, and what each connection can do. Now find WhatsApp in the list and toggle the switch on. You may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Turning the switch on tells Gemini you'd like it to be able to work with WhatsApp on this device. Follow any on-screen prompts to grant permissions. These prompts explain what access is required for the connection to work properly. Depending on your phone and settings, you may be asked to allow things like notification access or the ability to interact with messages. Read each prompt, then tap Allow or Continue when you're comfortable. If you prefer to review details, look for info icons or learn more links on the permission screens. You're always in control here. If you change your mind later, you can return to connected apps to turn the switch off or adjust what's allowed in your phone's settings. After you finish granting permissions, the integration is active. From now on, when you choose to use Gemini with WhatsApp, it can help within the boundaries you approved. If WhatsApp doesn't appear in the list, make sure both Gemini and WhatsApp are updated, confirm WhatsApp is installed on your phone, and try reopening Gemini. Availability can vary by region and account, so updates often resolve that. That's all you need to do. You've connected WhatsApp with Gemini, and you can manage or disconnect it anytime from the same Connected Apps page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother messaging experience with your newly enabled setup.